Hi there. Welcome to Easy English with Alicia. And today we are going to learn 10 fall festival words in English. Maybe you're going to a fall festival or your child's school is inviting everyone to a fall festival. Perhaps it's a church or a community center that's hosting a fall festival. And you're wondering, what is that? Don't worry, I am here to teach you all about it and let you learn some new words that you can use when you go to the fall festival. So, a fall festival is a get together, sometimes in a community, whether it be a religious community or just the community where you live, or also your school community, where they host activities that are common during this season of fall. Let's go ahead and look at those vocabulary words and show you how you can use these words when you go to the festival. We are going to learn what they mean, how to use them in a sentence, and real life examples. Number one, festival, festival, festival. This is a special event with food, games, and music. We go to a fall festival every year. How can you use this word? You can tell your friends. There's a festival at the park this weekend. Festival. Number two, hayride, hayride, hayride. This means a fun ride on a wagon filled with hay, usually pulled by a tractor. The kids laugh during the hayride around the farm. How can you use this word in real life? At a fall fair, you can say, "Let's go on the hayride." Number three, pumpkin patch, pumpkin patch, pumpkin patch. This means a farm or field where pumpkins grow. We visit the pumpkin patch to pick a big pumpkin. Real life example. You can say, "Let's take a picture at the pumpkin patch." Number four, leaves, leaves, leaves. Leaves are flat green parts of a tree that in fall change color and fall down. The leaves turn red and orange and yellow in fall. How can you use this word in real life? When walking outside, you can say, "Look, the leaves are falling." Number five, sweater, sweater, sweater. A warm piece of clothing you wear in cold weather. I wear a sweater in fall because it's chilly. How can you use this in real life? When getting dressed, you can say, "It's cold outside. I need a sweater." Number six, apple cider, apple cider, apple cider. A warm drink made from apples. We drink apple cider at the fall fair. Real life example. At a cafe, you can say, "Can I have some hot apple cider, please?" Number seven, corn maze, corn maze, corn maze. A big puzzle made from tall corn plants. The children get lost in the corn maze. Real life. When visiting a farm or a festival, you can say, "Let's try the corn maze." Number eight, bonfire, bonfire, bonfire. This is a large fire outdoors for fun or warmth. We sit by the bonfire and roast marshmallows. Real life. At night with friends, you can say, let's make a bonfire and tell stories. Number 9, harvest. 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 The time when farmers pick fruits and vegetables, usually in the fall. The fall harvest brings apples, pumpkins, and corn. Real life, you can say, we celebrate the harvest with a big dinner. And the last word, scarecrow. 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 A figure that looks like a person used to scare birds away from crops and plants like corn. The scarecrow stands in the field wearing old clothes. How can you use scarecrow in real life? Well, you're driving down the road next to a farm, you can say, look, the scarecrow is smiling. Very good. Now you know 10 new fall festival words and how to use them in real life. What can you do to practice? Well, next time you go to a fall event, look for 3 things from today's lesson. Maybe a pumpkin patch, a bonfire, or someone wearing a cozy sweater. And say those words in English. To practice your pronunciation, listen to this video again. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite thing about fall festivals? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, practice makes progress. Take care. Bye.